Disposing of waste from an air conditioning condensate drain line requires care, so algae and bacterial residue do not contaminate storm drains or living spaces. When you extract sludge and biofilm from the drain line, collect it in a portable vacuum container or a sealable bucket and avoid rinsing it into gutters or storm inlets. Carry the container to a non-sensitive area of your yard and empty the contents onto soil or onto planting beds that are tolerant of extra organic matter. This keeps contaminants out of the municipal drainage system. After emptying, scrub the container with hot water and dish soap, using a stiff brush to remove residual film, then rinse and allow it to air dry in the sun to reduce remaining microbes. For smaller amounts, you can bury the waste under an inch or two of soil away from vegetable gardens and water sources to allow natural decomposition. Always wear gloves and eye protection while handling waste, and wash your hands with soap and water afterward to reduce the risk of transferring bacteria into your home. If you encounter excessive amounts of oily residue or a foul chemical smell, stop and contact a professional for proper hazardous waste guidance. Common mistakes include dumping sludge into street drains, which leads to environmental contamination, so always discharge onto non-sensitive landscaping instead. A second common issue is inadequate cleaning of tools and containers, which allows regrowth, so clean thoroughly each time with soap and hot water and let items dry in sunlight. A third frequent concern is disposing near wells or edible gardens, which risks contamination, so choose a disposal spot at least several feet from any water source or food plants. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can handle environmental safety tasks like condensate line cleaning and disposal, and we also help contractors find work by listing projects and trades. We host a discussion community where members share practical tips and local experiences so everyone learns safer habits.